Hello everyone, welcome to the new parts in 3D chair modeling in Blender. So in this step, we will start block out our chair. So I will give a notice about this tutorial. So first, as you see here, we have different parts of our chair. We have the legs here. As you see, we have the legs, sorry, and we have the seat, and we have the back of the chair. So what we will do in this tutorial, we will make just the legs and apply all the principles and learn all the principles from modifiers to UVs to texturing on these legs. And in another part, we will apply all what we learn on the seat and the back. So the first principle we need to know is to block out our chair model. So what is block out is to add the primitive shapes without adding any modifiers or any modeling. So as you see here, our chair is shaped in maybe a cube, maybe plane. So I suggest to start with a cube. So I need to add a cube. So Shift A, add a cube, then rescale it, select the cube, and I think that I made it in the helpers collection, so I need to replace it to the collection to make it selectable. So now I can select our cube. So now I need to go to the side view and rescale the cube. Also, I need to enable the wireframe mode, then rescale the cube until you get the same thickness of the bottom base of the legs. So I will rescale it like this, and it's done. Now I need to enter the edit mode to start moving vertices and edges. So go to edit mode and select tool, then select the top vertices. Make sure that you are selecting the X-ray mode. So if you select these vertices, he will not select the other vertices in the back. So we need to enable the X-ray. Go to the side view by clicking 3 in the numpad and select all these top faces, the top vertices, and start moving vertices like this. Move this vertex like this. Now we need to create this shape. To do that, we need to add something called loops. So to add extra loops in your mesh, you need to select this loop cut tool and click on this edge and add your extra loops. So now we have an extra vertices. I need to return to the select box and select this vertices and move it like this. Now we need to create this shape. So you have two methods. You need to, method one is to duplicate this part and duplicate it to the other side, or select this vertices and extrude it and start modeling from it. So for me, I will extrude this to make it a single part. Then I will start moving vertices to get my shape like this. I need to move these vertices like this. Now I need another loop cut. So to not using this toolbar tool, you can use a shortcut called Control R to add an extra loop. So I can add an extra loop in the middle and start moving these vertices like this to this side. So as you see here, this edge is in a wrong way, so I need to make it straight. So select it, then click S to scale, then click Z to make it in the Z axis, then click 0 to make it straight. So like this, we have a straight line. Also, I need to mate it here. So click S, then Z, then 0 to make it straight, but I need to make it in the same sense of this line of the seat. So we have a tool called shear. So I will click shear here and move this axe like this to make it in the same level of the seat. So with this, we need to go to the front view and make the thickness of this leg the same as the reference. So I need to move it to this side and scale it in the x-axis like this to make it the same thickness as the reference. So with that, we are finished with the blockout of the leg. In the next part, we will apply some modifiers like mirror, bevel, weighted normals, and etc. So this is everything in this step. I hope you like it. If you like the video, subscribe to my channel, let a comment if you have any question, and like and share it with your friends, and see you in another videos. Have a nice day. Salam.